Maloti. Ai, malo. Wa mai oi. Ana mea whawhetai. Reana mea whai. Oi, o te kolegi. You're exercising? What are you exercising for? I'm going to be playing netipolo next year. Netipolo? Can you play netipolo? Yes, I love netball. Netball is so much fun. Do you play sports? Oi. I like to play soccer. Ooh, soccer. Soccer's fun and you need to use your feet. Yo vai. What other sports do you play? I like to play lacrosse. Lacrosse, you use a big long stick and it has a net on the end and you throw the ball and the other person has to catch it with their stick. That sounds really, really hard. Is it fun? Yes, it's so much fun. And we run and run and run and run. Do you play any other sports? I like to play lakapi. You like lakapi? Yes, rugby is fun. Oh my goodness. But will you get hurt when they tackle you? Only sometimes, but we don't usually play tackle. We just touch, like that, so that we don't get hurt, but we still run. Tamaiti. Yay! I'm gonna let you finish your kolegi and go home now. Okay, thank you for stopping by. Fa soifua. Fa.